Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Fatima Jalili, and I'm delighted to share the findings of my final research project for MBA 552 in Human Resource Management. Over the past several months, I have examined a topic that has reshaped the modern workplace: the impact remote work on employee engagement and productivity in large organizations. In this presentation, I will first introduce the key concept and the motivation behind choosing this subject, particularly in light of a global shift toward flexible work arrangements. Following the COVID-19 pandemic, I will outline the theoretical framework that defines remote work, engagement, and productivity, and then walk you through the positive outcomes, such as increased autonomy and work-life balance, as well as the challenges including social isolation and performance monitoring. Finally, I will highlight the most effective HR strategies for supporting a distributed workforce and conclude with recommendations for future research. My goal is to provide you with a balanced, evidence-based view of how remote work can be leveraged to enhance both employee well-being and organizational performance. Stay with me. Thank you. The rapid evolution of digital technologies ranging from high-speed broadband and cloud computing to sophisticated collaboration platforms has fundamentally altered how work gets done. At the same time, the COVID-19 pandemic served as a catalyst that compelled even the most traditional office-centric organizations to embrace remote work almost overnight. What was once considered a niche benefit offered to select few has now become a strategic imperative for businesses seeking continuity, resilience, and access to a global talent pool. In this context, two organizational metrics have emerged as critical indicators of success: employee engagement, the degree to which individuals feel motivated, connected, and committed to their roles, and productivity, which measure the efficiency and quality of work outputs. As companies like Microsoft, IBM, and Salesforce roll out hybrid or fully remote policies, they first pressing question: how we do keep our people involved when water cooler conversations vanish? How do we ensure performance doesn't slip teams are dispersed across time zones? My literature review systematically examines both sides of the remote work equation. On one hand, remote arrangements can boost autonomy, reduce community-related stress, and enable employees to tailor their environments for optimal focus. On the other, they can introduce challenges around social isolation, miscommunication, and the loss of informal learning opportunities that occur originally in the office. Throughout this analysis, I also evaluate the HR strategies such as virtual check-ins and digital recognitions programs that organizations are deploying to bridge these gaps. By unpacking these dynamics, this study offers HR leaders a comprehensive, evidence-based roadmap for sustaining engagement and productivity in today's increasingly virtual workplace. Let's go to the next slide. Building on those core definitions, remote work encompasses a broad spectrum of arrangements, from fully distributed teams who never enter a corporate office to hybrid model where employees split time between home and headquarters. Key enabling technologies include cloud-based collaboration suites, video conferencing macro platforms like Zoom, Teams, and project management tools like Asana, Trello, all of which allow allow geographically dispersed staff to share files, track progresses, and maintain real-time dialogues. Employee engagement, first conceptualized by Cohen, captures the degree of vigor, dedication, and observation that works exhibit. In a remote context, engagement is often gauged by metrics such as voluntary participation in virtual meeting, responses time on messaging channels, and self-reported surveys scores on belonging and motivations. Productivity, meanwhile, has evolved from simple hours worked proxies to a more nuanced view of output quality, the timelines. Think completed sales calls, software commits, or customer support tickets closed per week. When COVID-19 pandemic struck, household names such as Google, Microsoft, and Deloitte had to scale remote operation with days. Unpending long-standing HR routines around in-person check-ins, office-based training, and centralized performance review. Suddenly, performance measurement had to migrate online. Digital dashboards replaced hallway conversation, and automated tracking tools competed with outcome-oriented KPI. In a response, the trust-based management paradigm has emerged. Organizations are shifting emphasis from presenting "Are you logged in?" to meaningful deliverables, milestones achieved, project launched, or strategic goals advanced. This transition demands that managers cultivate new skill sets, coaching for anonymous goal setting, interpreting data from collaboration platforms, and designing fair, transparent evaluation rubrics that account for both individual contribution and team synergy. In this way, HR leaders are defining success in virtual work by balancing quantitative outputs with qualitative indicators of engagement and well-being. A growing number of studies point to the benefit of remote work. For example, Bloom and colleagues in 2015 found that remote employees had fewer distractions, reported lower stress, and were more satisfied with their jobs. These factors led to better performance and lower turnover. Another major benefit is flexibility. According to Gerendron and Harrison, flexibility helps employees balance their personal and professional lives, which boosts morale and reduces burnout. This in turn increases organizational commitment. Remote work also encourages time management, discipline, and independence. When employees have control over their schedule and work environments, they often become more creative and productive. Kothari found that autonomy and digital tools help remote workers produce high-quality outputs, especially in industries like IT and design. Finally, working from home can reduce office-related stress like loud space or too many meetings. Employees can set up their own space and work conditions that are most comfortable and efficient for them. Despite its many advantages, remote work presents several significant challenges that can be undermine both engagement and productivity. First, the absence of regular face-to-face interaction can lead to social isolation, eroding the formal ties and shared identity that underpin strong team cohesion. When employees lack opportunities for spontaneous water-cooler conversation, their sense of belonging may diminish, contributing to lower motivation and greater turnover intention. Second, remote arrangements often blur in the boundaries between home and personal life. Without clear demarcations, such as a commute or dedicated office space, employees may struggle to switch off, resulting in longer working hours, heightened stress, and increased risk of burnout. This role boundary ambiguity can spill over into family time, reducing recovery opportunities and ultimately impairing sustained performance. Third, managers frequently face difficulties in evaluating remote employees' performance fairly and consistently. Traditional cues such as visible effort or on-site presence are no longer available, forcing supervisors to rely on proxy metrics that may not fully capture the quality or impact of work. Ambiguous expectation and inconsistent feedback can breed frustration, erode trust, and undermine the psychological safety necessary for high engagement. Moreover, not all remote workers enjoy same resource or home office conditions. Disparities in internet bandwidth, workplace ergonomic, or access to collaboration tools exacerbate the digital divide, making it harder for some employees to stay focused or participate fully in virtual meetings. Remote work also reduces organic informational knowledge sharing and host brainstorming sessions that often spark innovation and accelerate newcomer socialization. New hires in particular may struggle to absorb company norms or build rapport without international onboarding ritual. Finally, extended remote operations heighten cybersecurity and data privacy risk. Organizations must invest in secure VPNs, endpoint protection, and regular training to guard against phishing attacks and ensure compliance with regulations such as GDPR or HIPAA. Failure to address these vulnerabilities can lead to costly breaches and further erode employees' in confidence remote work arrangement. To handle these challenges, HR departments are using smart strategies. One is regular communication, such as video calls, one-on-one check-ins, and structured Teams meeting. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom help people stay connected. Training programs are also important. Employees need supporting in using digital tools and managing their time. These skills improve both independence and collaboration. Recognition is another key area. Celebrating successes virtually or giving public praise on feedback platforms helps employees feel valued and motivated. Employees' well-being is central. Many companies offer mental health resources, mindfulness, and wellness program to prevent burnout. To reduce feeling of isolation, HR can organize virtual team building events, mentorship programs, and social hangouts. This strengthens team bonds. Flexible schedule and asynchronous work also help employee manage time zone and personal needs. This makes remote work more inclusive and reduce stress. Additionally, HR should provide economic support for home offices. In conclusion, remote work has both positive and negative impacts on employee engagement and productivity. It can boost satisfaction, motivation, and performance, but only when HR provides the right tools, structure, and support. Remote work is here to stay, so HR leaders must keep evolving. Future research should explore hybrid models and how they influence culture, retention, and innovation. By staying flexible and people-centered, HR professionals can lead organizations for this workplace transformation successfully. Thank you. Thank you for being with me. Have a good day.